Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So Lightning Lane Multipass can be added to eligible Disneyland park tickets through the Disneyland mobile app. You can add it during ticket purchase or for eligible tickets, upgrade your existing tickets before you visit or after entering the park, subject to availability. In this guide I will show you step by step how to add Lightning Lane Multipass to a ticket in the Disneyland mobile app, perfect for guests who want shorter waits at participating attractions. So first thing, open the Disneyland mobile app, sign into your Disney account and make sure your park ticket is linked to your account. Okay, then open My Tickets and Passes. So go to the menus here and then My Ticket and Passes, and inside the app tap your profile or menu icon here. Okay, select My Tickets and Passes as I did and locate the ticket you would like to upgrade, so your ticket details will appear. Then select Change Ticket, like to upgrade your ticket. Tap Change Ticket beneath the ticket's barcode and select the tickets or tickets you would like to modify, and the available upgrade options will be displayed. Okay, so add Lightning Lane Multipass. Next, scroll to the add-ons section and tap Change Add-ons and select Lightning Lane Multipass. So the add-ons will be added to your order before checkout. Okay, then complete your purchase. Like before finishing, review your updated order, verify the guest receiving the add-on, and enter or confirm your payments method, and then tap purchase or confirm. Okay, so your tickets will now include Lightning Lane Multipass, and verify your upgrade, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.